Okay, so my face is fully done, my eyebrows are done, so I am ready to move on to the eyes. And for the eyes, I'm going to be using the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Squad in Trendsetter 995, and these are the shades here. So to start off with my transition shade, I'm going to use this shade right here, and this is Shopaholic in 965. So I'm also going to apply that shade to my lower lash line. So I'm going to take the shade of Red Bottoms, and it is this shade right here, and that is in the number 956. I'm just going to apply that to the outer corners and a little bit into my crease. I'm also going to apply that shade to the lower lash line on the outer part of my lower lash line. So I'm just going to go back in with that Shopaholic shade and make sure all of this is blended out. I'm going to take the shade Do Your Thing, which is this shimmery shade here, and that is in the number 982, and I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone as well as my inner tear duct. So I'm going to use that shade Killing It 983, and that is this shade right here, and I'm going to put that on the inner corners of the lid. Okay, so now that the lid color is on, I kind of want to intensify the outer corners, so I'm going to go back in with that shade Red Bottoms, and I'm going to do that. Okay, so really quickly, I'm just going to apply some liquid liner, and this is the Superhero by IT Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply a winged liner. So now I'm just going to apply some mascara, and this is the MAKIAGE Mascara in Icon, and this is in the shade Black. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some dramatic lashes, and I'm going to be using Lily Lashes in Rome. Okay, so really quickly, I'm just going to touch up my eyebrows. I've already applied this, which is why my eyebrows look nicely shaped, but I'm going to apply a little bit more, and this is the MAKIAGE Hypnotize Fill and Fix Brow Shaper in the shade Espresso, and I'm just gonna apply that because some of the shadow got on the eyebrows, so I want to make them come back to life. And before I move on to the lips, I'm just gonna apply a little bit more highlighter. I have already sculpted my face, but I'm just gonna apply a little bit more highlighter, and I'm using the Laura Geller Gilded Honey. Now I'm just going to use the MAKIAGE Hydrating Setting Spray. Finally, I'm going to move on to my lips. So for lips today, I'm going to use the MAKIAGE Infinity Long Wear Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Matte Glory 423, and it is a beautiful nude-ish shade, and I love this packaging, by the way. So cute. So to any nude lip, I love to add a little bit of dimension so that the lips don't look so muted. So I'm going to use the MAKIAGE Natural Moisturizing Lip Liner in brown, and I'm just going to outline the outside of it and add some dimension to the lips. So I'm just going to take the shade Do Your Thing from the Trendsetter palette, and I'm going to add that to my Cupid's bow. And I'm also going to add a little bit of that to the center of my lips. Okay, and this is the final look.